In this video, I will show you how to change your team and also download a new one. This is how you change a team. You go to extras, team, and then I changed it to the dark mode. I will pick another team, the material team. Let's change it one more time into a lighter team. Okay. Now I will show you how to download a new team. You go to extensions and then to your extension manager. Then you search for any team, or you can just search team to see a list of available teams to download. I will choose the one Monokai team. Okay, it's downloaded. Now I have to restart my Visual Studio to see the changes. Yeah, this automatically pops up. Click modify. This will take some while. Okay, it's finished. Click close and restart your Visual Studio one more time. Open any project and go to extras, then choose the team option and look for the one we downloaded now, Monokai, and you see it worked. Okay, that was it for this video.